Welcome back to another Pierson Workholding Q&A. In this episode 2 of 4, we tour the shop with Kelvin Verrett of Urban Survival Gear. And in this episode, we talk about how we receive materials, how we store them, how we organize stuff around the company so that we can work in an efficient manner to create a well-oiled production machine. Let's get started. So let's fast forward, okay, just a few minutes. Let's go out this door.
Yeah, I'm following you.
Okay, so if you remember
The board.
we just ordered our 914 material, which it's already done. So it usually would have been in stock.
Yeah.
Now that it's been ordered and scanned, it goes material ordered, okay? When material comes in, my guy sees what it is. He'll either put it in saw and prep if it actually needs saw and prep, or on the line saying, hey, if a pin is on the line, that means it's waiting. Waiting is another lean waste. It's waiting to go into a machine, so it's on the line, it's done being sawed, it's done being prepared, it's ready to go in op 1. And then we would take that, and we're already producing those.
I'm sorry, man. I got this is the part I needed. Yep. That's the step right there that I was missing.
Material ordered? Yeah.
Material ordered.
So people go into business, like machinists go into business because they're really good at op 1, op 2.
Yes.
But they're not good at plating. Some guys plate in-house, or even boxing stuff up, shipping orders, purchasing. I mean, we're good outside. So each one of these is a skill. It's a talent, you know?
Yep.
Where these days, I don't do any of these, you know? I used to do all of them 4 years ago, and I've slowly been taking them off my plate. Now, it doesn't end there. Now we have these magnetic stickers, 914 base op 2 and 914 base op 1. I know it's on the, we started yesterday, op 1 is on the VF4, and it's Wednesday. Today is Thursday. I'm just gonna give them a head start and put this right there.
Whoa, wait a minute, wait.
Yeah.
That move.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the move I missed.
Okay.
So when something goes off the status, okay, these are for machines, right?
Yeah, these are the machines.
That's the process. And you have the operations based, not just the part. It's the operations, so op 1, op 2, op 3.
Yeah.
So you know op 1 is going to go on that machine.
Yeah, on that day.
And that's planning the entire ops for the whole week.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like for example, here yesterday we had 1824 base op 0. That's a preparatory. And then it goes to grind. And then once we're done, 914 base, which they literally just finished up like an hour ago. And then so today they're going to do that. And then we know that we want to keep this open we have some custom stuff coming in possibly. So next Wednesday, we need to put 1320 bases op 1. Because my guy, Jerry, he's predicting that we're going to sell on average like 2 a week for the next one out. So we know we're going to hit the comma. So he's just kind of getting a head start.
No, it's just the fact that you said this is what's going to happen in a week, and my shop guy said that we're going to sell. So the fact that he knows the process and he's into all this, so he can start saying this is happening and you're not there.
Yeah.
But the fact that you just said, oh, Wednesday we're doing this, Thursday we're doing this.
Right.
So, okay,
so
killer.
He does predictive by historical sales, and he'll go in and he'll look at orders that people are in our website, and they're starting to build an order, adding items to their cart. They're getting shipping quotes. We can see not completed orders, and he'll say, wow, this customer that's logged in, they're going to order a 1320 starter package. Okay, I'm going to go -1 in my head just to kind of get a head start.
Yeah.
So that's in his downtime. That's not part of the process. He's adopted that. I'm like, that's great. So when we go, wow, why are we scheduling this? We haven't hit the minimum. He's like, just watch. And sure enough, order today, order on Tuesday, we hit the minimum Wednesday. He's already got material coming, that type of thing. So that's like high end, that's going a step above, but he does it, he's good at that.
Well, the fact is that, okay, what I was expecting when I came here, I was expecting having your storeroom to be twice the size of what it is now.
Oh, yeah.
Because I was expecting you to have orders assembled and on the shelves ready to ship out.
Yeah, no.
But the way your process works, you build to order, and it's efficient.
Right.
So you can operate a much bigger company in a much smaller space.
Yeah, that's true.
That's the part where I was like, because I'm looking at, I'm like, okay, that's a stock room. I'm looking like, wait, where are the vice?
Yeah.
The pallet?
Right. And we're not selling small components.
I know
everything's
not.
big.
Everything's big.
Yeah.
That's,
So if we had to blow it out and have like 3-6 months inventory, we would probably use this entire area. And just you're storing stuff that shouldn't be stored. It's excess inventory, you know.
Yeah, that's
so. Okay, let's walk over here.
Please, okay, I'm in.
I purposely found the smallest material rack I could find. That's it, and it's empty. So we don't purposely purchase and create excess inventory. Okay, when it comes in, we know it's coming in. He'll probably saw it, then we put it on carts. Everything in here, when we tour over there, everything's on carts. It's got to be mobile because we don't want to carry stuff, you know. And the really heavy stuff, we have an electric forklift that will park, things like that. Now, over there, one of the columns beyond in stock is bonus stock. Now, bonus stock is not, it borders on excess inventory, but if we've got a machine that's running parts just fine, like for example, one of our lathes where you just load it up, or one, it can run. Is it making good parts? Yes. Have we hit the maximum? Yes. Great. Let's put the maximum, just finish the process of putting that in stock and inventory. Now, do we have a job going back into the machine? No. It's making good parts, just run it, especially the lathes, they just run by themselves. Then we create bonus stock. If we had a 2-op part like well, we don't really do 2-ops on lathes anymore, but say that we had op 1, then we got to flip it over. Let's just finish out op 1 and then put that as bonus stock. So the next time we hit the minimum, we're already in op 2. And so we do that a lot. So over here, a lot of this will be op 2 or bonus stock. So let me explain this. So if you look up here, you'll see 3 colors of bins: gray, blue, red.
Yeah.
Red, raw. So right here, what is this? These are all filled with bins full of XPS hand valve material. That's raw material. When we hit the minimum, boom, goes in. It's already sawed up. Blue is bonus stock or in process. So these are brake covers, and if you notice, they've got face holes, but they don't have perimeter holes.
Yeah.
We got to them, we kept running, we say, hey, we got the maximum, let's just keep running. Then another job that we needed to run on that machine came in, so we're like, let's pull it off, we'll finish the perimeter holes, the actual radial holes later. Okay, it goes here, and it's just bonus stock. So when we hit brake covers, the minimum again, all we got to do is that fourth operation. Yeah, same thing. And then gray. Gray, you won't see gray here. Gray means good to go or good to sell. All the bins back there in the inventory room, they're all gray. So gray means it's good for assembly or it's good to go out to anodize. So the guys will work with basically 3 bins. If we're doing a 3-op part on the mills, they will have a red bin and a blue bin. They will machine, as parts come off, they'll put it in the blue bin, op 1, and then we'll probably take that and put it into an adjacent machine for op 2 so that we can flow those 2.
Okay.
And then at the second machine, he's working from blue to gray. So op 1 was done in one machine, red to blue, rolling that over to the next machine over, blue to gray, and then the second op is done.
Okay. So, quick question. The labels there, those are just for, just say what this is?
Yeah. So
they're not part of the process like over there, right?
They sort of, well, they're part of the global process, but no, we don't move them. So see all these?
Yeah.
These are all the things that we typically put in bonus stock. It's pretty much almost close to every component. So when raw material comes in, like right here, okay, that's raw material for our 914s. That's why there's a 914 magnet there.
I got you.
So just so that we can look and not make mistakes, we just know, hey, these are 610 pallets. These are 814 pallets. They're not assembled, they're ready to assemble. So we don't want to stick all that inventory in there. It just won't fit, and the shelves, quite frankly, will collapse.
Makes sense.
So, you know, the guy was assembling, hey, I got another task, put it in there, that's bonus stock. When we get an order, then we will assemble it and put it in inventory. And there's no order here. So we follow Amazon's model of random stow. You just get stuff, put it in an empty place, and then label it. and then we will find it. It's small enough.
It's just storage.
Yeah.
I mean, it's storage.
If we said, hey, if we have bonus stock of only 914s, only 1320s,
okay,
we would have a ton of shelves and most of them would be empty.
Yep.
So now we pretty much only use this section here. This is all just random stuff like, okay, here's one, in-house use. Sometimes things don't work right when you machine them.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yep.
What do we do with that? Well, we'll build our fixtures out of that. We can pull from that. So like this is material that was on a custom, the customer canceled. No problem, we'll save that. We might sell it or use it in-house. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's look at the machines.
Let's go. Let's rock with the machines, man.
Okay, so this is like our machining alley. I said we work in U-shaped cells and linear cells. So all the machines are set up linear, but hey, I hope you enjoyed this second of 4 episodes. In the next one, we're gonna talk about how we actually machine, how we set up, how we organize at our workstation, again, to keep production flowing throughout the company. So if you haven't done so, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're the first to watch and first to comment too. So until next time, go innovate your production.